This is your sneak peek at the 13-pound unboxing that I'm doing Wednesday, June 3rd at 7 p.m. for 2 hours. 2 hours, that's it, 2 hours, 13 pounds. Whatever we can get through, we can get through. There will be opportunities to buy as we go along. I am going to show you what's here so you can get an idea if there's something that you're interested in. So keep an eye out. I love these. I love these. Now, I did pay up for this. This is a Goodwill jewelry box. It's supposed to be completely unsorted, so all the good stuff gets left in there. Oh my goodness. Okay. 13 pounds. All right. 13 pounds is right here. And I am literally going to dump because there's no other way to go about it. Do you see anything? I see something right now that I think is interesting. I'm doing this just to get an idea. This is Kenneth Cole. This is Guess. We have music theme, cute brutalist heart. Let's just keep spreading this out and we'll see what we come up with. That may be a real pearl. We'll set it over here. All right, what do we got? Do you see anything that you are excited about? Do you see anything that you might think, is that what I think it is? And if it is, well, you better be quick on the claim because as we go along, I will do quick claims. We'll see you tonight, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time. We will go through it. I'm stuck.